Arlene here, and we're going to be going over what we're hoping to do in 2025, because, goals,
New Year.
projects, all that.
New Year, same us.
Yeah, New Year, same us. But we are hoping you are having a good 2025 so far. I know it did not start off the greatest, but hopefully things are turning around for you, if at all possible. If not, we're sorry, and we hope it gets better.
Yes, we are, and hopefully we can bring you a little bit of joy as the year goes on, because at least that's my goal for the year, is to have a year of joy. I think just kind of starting off my goals for the year, one, as you guys have obviously seen, my participation in this channel has dwindled, and that's because I really threw myself into work and didn't make time for me as much, and that needs to change for my own mental health and for just I miss it. I miss it so much, being able to create and do things and just make. I am a maker at heart, and I haven't been making, and it's been soul sucking, to say the least.
Yeah.
So for me this year, it's all about taking it easy, doing things that I love. I'm trying to ditch the Excel sheets, which is very, very difficult for me. I still like to plan. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to be as regimented, because then if I don't hit a checkpoint, I failed. I go even deeper down this lovely little spiral.
Yeah.
And then I don't feel motivated to pick it back up to then succeed. So I'm definitely focusing on making more things. I'll obviously take you guys along for the ride, and just enjoy life and enjoy making things and sharing that with you. And second, continuing our Welcome to the Hobby series, which I think started off with a great success. Sorry for a lot of the talking, but I mean, I think that's how you start a new hobby, is getting to know it.
Yeah, figuring out what you want out of it.
And you were such a wealth of information. Thank you so much.
I tried.
And so I want to kind of continue down that road. We already done like the aesthetics portion of modding, which I think I've down pretty well.
Yeah.
Next is really testing these blasters, figuring out what modifications I want to make internally.
Maybe some field testing.
Field testing is definitely would definitely be a plus, and then hopefully making it out to an event.
Yes.
Yee, fingers crossed.
Yes.
So that's kind of my vision for the year. Trying to keep it less hold me accountable, because then I feel like I failed, and I don't want to do that anymore. I want to make just for the joy of making.
Yeah, and that's kind of where I'm at this year as well. Like, I have a couple of things that I definitely need to get reviews out on. Just like, I don't want to like kind of go too deep into it, because like some of them a couple of friends know of, others are just kind of be surprises and such like that. So, but I'm gonna do. I will have reviews. Like, my Nerf content isn't going away, but it may slow down a little bit. What I would like to do this year is just kind of very similar. Just I want to make for the sake of enjoyment, not just a project of what can I tune this out to, or what's the max I can get out of this type of thing. So a lot of my projects this year are going to probably be a little bit more on the cosmetic side, well, more so than normal. I have already a handful of projects that I want to not just wrap up, but also get started and finish and move forward with once the weather is more amicable for actual
dear
stuff.
Lord, the snow and wind is killer.
Yeah, it's cold.
Burr.
It's cold. It's burr. It's not even cold. It's burr. But yeah, that's really kind of my goal. And it was something that also came up while, if I would suggest definitely go checking out the World Foam Alliance's YouTube channel. We were guests on the first episode of Foam Zone with Dart Sweep this year.
It was so much fun.
It was a whole lot of fun, and thank you very much for having us on there and being a part of it. But Yeah, a little bit more tidying up around the shop, just like, really getting the flow going out here and all. Um, yeah, but that's kind of where we're at. It's going to be a year of enjoyment. And we're hoping you will join us for the ride as well and
Please.
join us for the enjoyment. And
Yes.
enjoy the enjoyment.
we love sharing it with you, and seeing your comments is always touching. I know you guys think I don't read the comments. It's because it's on his page,
Yeah.
and I don't like to mess up his algorithm with the videos that I watch. So I
fair.
don't watch. I don't look at them very often, but he does make sure to let me know.
Yes.
Hey, go check out these comments.
Yes,
and
I
then
do.
I
I do. Yes, but I also monitor the comments, so I always read all of the comments. So.
Yes, exactly. So please interact
Yes.
with us. We want to interact with you. And any ideas you guys might have for us, please send them along. Again, that's something that we want to continue looking into, and
Yeah.
it's just we're not going to be as regimented this year.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I mean, we have a couple. We have a couple of cosplays. We have a couple of props that we would like to get done this
Yes.
year.
It's really, can we just complete all the to-dos that
Yeah.
have just been in the middle of making?
Yeah, it was. It's like this year we're gonna kind of focus on the stuff that we've not so much pushed to the side, but because of like time constraints and like this and that and all, or whatever reasons we came up with. But it was like those projects that have been lingering that were like, no,
We want to do
we
this.
want to do these. We're gonna do these because
So.
they're just gonna be fun,
Yes.
and that's what we're hoping.
I know
they
my
will.
next one I'm so excited about.
I'm excited about mine because I got stuff to tell you about that one. I have plans.
Later,
But
later.
yes, later. So, but if you want to know what they are, you have to stay tuned to Nerfing Lionheart Customs. But that's where we're going to end it for this video. And as always, if you enjoy the content we put here on the channel, please throw us a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how your 2025 is going. One way or another. We love reading all the comments.
Yes.
Don't forget to click that little bell icon. Make sure you don't miss any of the stuff we're going to be working on this year. And we still do have the P.O. box going. So, snail mail, lost art.
Give us that dopamine. It's like receiving an Amazon package.
Yeah.
It just says, me. It's
fun.
fun. I like snail mail.
It's not even that. A letter. We'll be pen pals. We'll be wonderful.
No, sincerely. We do love connecting with you guys.
Yeah. But, again, thank you very much for joining us. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Later.